Okay, so I'm here at the I&I Historic Farm Museum here in Penfield, Illinois, and we're set up at an open house for B&B Farm Toys, and they invited us up here to set up some of our things and then to show us their incredible facility. I'm just gonna take a peek out the window. I mean, there's tractors and sheds over there and over there. They've got all these buildings. They have this event every July, and this coming July, it's not July right now, but in July they have their big historic farm days, and you gotta check it out. It's this place is great, and they absolutely pack these grounds during the historic days. Now they're actually raffling this 1150 off. Isn't this a beauty of a tractor? Holy cow. I'm going to do a separate video on this tractor itself here in a little bit, so I'm just going to glance over it. And the same thing with this Hart Par. This is, I'll just let you guys read the sign. The oldest operating tractor in the world. And it's sitting here, you know, right here in Penfield, Illinois. I mean, it's just a real piece of history. I'll kind of pause there. You can pause this video and zoom in if you want to read about this Hart Par number 3. So check this out. This is actually on loan from the Smithsonian. This is the Turbine Tractor from International. This is, you know, just what an incredible piece of history to have here in this museum. And this beautiful 8N Ford, and then we've got the John Deere A there, another great looking tractor. They've got all sorts of neat stuff in here. I mean, we've got a corn sheller over here. We've got a small, that's a grain separator. There's the corn sheller. Little walk behind, you know, cultivator, I guess, plows, big thresher over there. I mean, just neat. Everywhere you look is neat. Something interesting to see. Something fun. I mean, look at this thing. How cool is that? I'll go around and see the sign because I'll be honest, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, this is a home-built garden tractor. Cool. Really neat. That's pretty cool. Just, you know, so anyway, there's just all sorts of stuff to see here. They've got, in the building, they've got all kinds of photos and memorabilia and things like that. Just really, really a cool facility. So it's an honor to get to kind of come in here and see this stuff. Super A with a sickle bar mower on it. That's really neat. How'd you like to spend a summer on that thing mowing? And a couple more really neat looking plows here. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to do a walk around of this Massey, and I might talk about that Hart Par a little bit more in a separate video, so stay tuned, guys.